Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to or where to find the trading fees and interest rates on the Bybit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on My Fee Rates in the middle of the screen. Here you can find two sections, trading fees and interest rates. In the trading fees section, you can find the derivatives trading fee, maker-taker, the spot trading fee, the USDC perpetual trading fee and options trading fee. And here you can find these options that you can get to know by tapping on this arrow pointing to the right direction. If you go back to the previous section, you can also check out the interest rates, the margin interest and the unified margins too. Here you can find a very detailed chart including the daily, yearly rates and the maximum amount to borrow, and also coin, hourly rate, interest free quota, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.